Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about radiographic testing. What type of radiation is typically used in radiographic testing of welds? A. Alpha particles, beta particles, C. Gamma rays, ultraviolet light, E. Infrared radiation. The correct answer is C. Gamma rays. What is the purpose of using a film in radiographic testing? A. To absorb radiation. B. To emit radiation. C. To record the radiographic image. To amplify the radiation. E. To filter out unwanted radiation. The correct answer is C. To record the radiographic image. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which of the following defects can be detected using radiographic testing? A. Surface cracks. B. Internal voids. C. Discoloration. D. Hardness variations. E. Residual stress. The correct answer is B. Internal voids. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.